Right now they're putting the strap on. That sounds a little weird. They're putting the strap on, you know?
And I said I need help lifting it up.
Yeah, yeah, it's so sick. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we got a wheelie machine and a 450. So we're about to be ripping. I don't have the safety strap on it yet. Well, he doesn't have it on. But I'm just gonna try it out real quick and just see what this thing does. Bro, it looks like an airplane, bro. Just you can fly around. Alright. Yo, is there anything I need to know? Like, or does it ride like a normal?
Yeah, take it easy.
Take it easy, alright. Alright. Bro, I don't even got a balance. Bro, I gotta make sure the wheels don't hit the curb. Bro, it feels like a three-wheeler.
One thing you should know is try not to go so fast.
Go slow?
Yeah, try to go slow.
Okay. It this way. Bro, I went to 12 and it started turning. Yeah, it's crazy. You say what? Oh!
How was that?
It felt good, bro. I just noticed once, if I go like past balance point, it sometimes wants to turn.
Yeah, if you're like right up there, that's where
you gotta sort of like move it, yeah, move it around. But it feels really good. I'm excited for the strap to see like, when you can't loop it, you know, you don't really have to. Yeah, I had nothing on it. I could have looped that shit like crazy. Yo, it's so sick. He's shredding, bro. You're chilling. Let's go, bro. That thing is so sick. I'm so excited to try it, bro. Bro, look at it from behind. It looks like a goddamn airplane, bro. Yo, you don't got to worry about balancing at all. Like, it balances it for you. Give you guys a little 360 what's going on. So we got one airplane wheel over here, one in the rear, and it just holds this whole thing up, bro. Like, it's such a weird feeling, like not really having to control the balance of the bike. Like, I've never really felt that. It felt like a quad in a sense, or like a three-wheeler. As you guys know, I rode Unk's three-wheeler, that white one, and it feels very similar to that, but it's a flipping dirt bike. So sick. Right now they're putting the strap on. That sounds a little weird. They're putting the strap on, you know?
And I said I need help lifting it up.
Yeah.
This is not what it seems.
Yeah,
Hey, if there was no video and it was just audio, that'd be
not
crazy.
what it seems at all.
I'm like, what is going on here?
What's going on in that room? Alright, so that's where it's gonna stop at, right?
Yeah, that's like perfect, bro.
Perfect, right?
That's hella back.
Nah, that's perfect.
So
That's what we
we're
need.
gonna put the strap on now.
Because if it's not too far back, you won't really learn how to use the rear brake. Alright, we got the whole thing set up. We got the strap on. So we're ready. Yo, the bed's about to fall off, bro. Yo. Oh, watch out for the curb. That's so sketchy because you don't really notice when you're on it how wide those wheels are. The wheelie machine, bro. You say what?
I'm not trying to like throttle it back, but
No, yeah, you're good, you're good. Bro, freaking bed's about to fall off, bro. Let's go. That's so sick, bro. It's so sick watching that wheelie. No, it's hard as hell to kick.
I did a wheelie though.
I seen you. You just popped it up. I think you popped it up higher than he did. Yeah. Don't stall it.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my gosh! You popped it all the way! Then she was like this.
I didn't see shit.
Bro, she popped it up like this, bro.
No way.
Swear to God. Yeah. I was a little behind her, but
I heard a rev.
bro, it was like up almost by 12. Hey, good job. Alright gang, we got the whole strap on. It's my turn to try this freaking thing. I'm going all the way back, so let's see what happens. That was where I was holding up by itself. Yeah.
I forgot to.
You heard that? Like it backfired? Yeah, that shit's tight.
Okay, that's good.
That is like super.
Bro, every time I got it to 12, it kept wanting to turn.
Yeah, because I think we gotta adjust it a little bit.
You guys don't want anything?
It's still moving to the left. Close. Bro, I noticed I was going, I'm like, fuck. Let's go. Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out my boy 239 Bike Life. Let them know where they can find you if they want some lessons or they want a machine itself.
Oh yeah. What's up, man? 239 Bike Life here. You can find me on Instagram, 239 Bike Life. You already know what it is. We got the YZ450. We got the wheelie trainer. We're trying to teach everybody out here that don't really know what's going on, just the basics of learning the wheelie and whatnot. So you already know. If you guys interested, just hit me up, 239 Bike Life at Instagram.
Awesome. I have the link in the description also to his Instagram. So if you're in Florida, hit the homie up. If you want a kit, he makes these himself, so you can buy them. And also he does wheelie lessons, so you can learn how to do wheel skis without really falling. He has all the protection, so you'll be in good hands. And he shreds and knows how to do wheelies. So yeah, I freaking love you. Stay motivated, stay disciplined. Till next time, gang. Peace.